Welcome here to my YouTube channel viewers. We will discuss about and that's video how to calculate the quantity of a doom and secondly how to design a doom. So let's get started. Viewers, before the calculation we can do the drop the internal section and external section of the doom. We can discuss about that before the calculations. Now you can see that the first term is internal sections and the second is external sections. Viewers, you can see that in the sections of internal we can discuss on that the external of semi-sphere is equal to 8.5 feet and internal of semi-sphere is equal to 8 meters 8 feet maybe. Important term of that the height of semi-sphere is 8 feet and the thickness of semi-sphere is 0.5 feet yani 6 inches. Now you can see that in the instruction sections that is the diameter of the dome is 16 feet and the height of dome is 8 feet and the radius of the dome is 8 feet and the external domes of the size is 8.5 feet and the thickness of the dome as 6 inches. It's mean 0.5 feet. Now we can to calculate the solve of that examples. Viewers, we can to discuss before and the value of that. You can see and I put in the value of that and here's now viewers the volume of slab is equal to 2 or 3 multiply by 5 multiply by r minus r multiply by 2 and multiply by heights. That is the formula of semi-spheres. Okay, now we can put in the value of that formula 2 or 3 and multiply by the 5 value as a standard value and 3.142 multiply by r and the capital R is that you can see there in the value of 8.5 feet and the radius of the room is 8 feet. It is equal to square up there and multiply by the height is equal to 8 feet. We can to calculate of the terms we can get the answer of that 138.24 CFT. Viewers, if you find the area of the semi-spheres, the area semi-sphere is equal to 3 by 5 the radius squares. You can the footing of that value after you will be the finds the area of the dooms. I hope you like that videos. If you like to must be subscribe our channel for more latest update videos. Thank you.